134 Mountain, 344 Eastern. Welcome to your weather forecast, July 8, 2024. Smoke in Saskatoon right now, Regina. And then Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, hot. And Alberta, really hot. I mean, Wednesday will reach 35 in some areas, maybe 37. And we got heat warnings and the area high pressure just keeping that heat. And I could tell you where the high pressure is right here. So it's a high pressure blockage that nothing, no precipitation could get in from the States or nowhere else. Yes, thunderstorms still could develop in the mountains because it's hot. And this is great conditions for severe storms. Guarantee. Then heat warnings in Alberta. And then we got a front moving in for around Thursday. And that could trigger some pretty nasty weather. Here's the low right now. Sticking right there. But as it moves down to Alberta right here, you know what thunderstorms could do in that heat. Rotation and all that. We have to keep eyeing that later on in the week. We go from west to east. Love Weather Canada host Justin. 26, 27 tomorrow. This is British Columbia. Go to our temperature page quickly in British Columbia. This is today, tomorrow. Look at that. 35 degrees in some areas of BC. Wow. Hot. Good time to find water, and 30 degrees in Calgary right now, and 30 on tomorrow, then 34, maybe 35 on Wednesday. Some areas can reach 37 degrees as the heat is building. And here's tomorrow, and here's Wednesday, and Wednesday's the hottest day of the week. Look at Calgary. Look at that. You see this? 41 degrees in some areas in the purple. 43, so reach the 40s in some areas. Very dangerous heat. Remember, do not leave your cars dogs in the car, even low crack window. If you don't have the air conditioning, do not take a chance. This is too hot to leave your animals in the car or your children. It is. And water, lots of water. And here's in the 30s in Edmonton as well. Saskatoon, today 28, 29 tomorrow, 31 on Wednesday, so the heat little spreads. And Thursday we got a front moving in that will trigger some thunderstorms. Regina, making up to 34, 35 on Thursday. Winnipeg, risk of some strong thunderstorms starting tomorrow afternoon. 27 degrees, and remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. And I think high risk for Alberta for later on when a front moves in, because that's a really hot air scenario right now. And here it is for Winnipeg. What's happening in Ontario? There's actually a tropical storm moving in. It's going to be a low as it gets there, but it's a tropical cyclone as it reaches Canada, of course. So it'll bring a lot of precipitation and here's the track. So here it is now in Houston, and it'll track all the way up to Canada later on. So that'll be on in a few days time. So that'll be on Wednesday, bringing lots of precipitation, 10 to 20 millimeters. Special weather statements as well. So all in these areas in the blue could see 20 to 40 millimeters of rain, even heavier with thunderstorms. So these are the special weather statements. Even Southern Quebec could get affected as well, but no special weather statements have been issued yet. But as we get further, a little bit, maybe tomorrow, special weather statements will be issued further east. Ottawa, risk of some strong thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Keep eyeing that. Montreal, Quebec, it's a small risk, but still we have to keep eyeing that. Depends on the daytime heating. Feels like 30 tomorrow. Then, of course, the tropical cyclone will dump some rain for Quebec City as well. Halifax as well. Rest tomorrow, 25 degrees. 24 on Wednesday. St. John's, Newfoundland, 26 today. 23 tomorrow. 24 on Wednesday. Overcast skies. I'm just